pressure washer. That's the new power of the Power Stroke pressure washer. Mind blowing. What do you think, Wally? Say it's paid for itself. What's up, YouTube? Brian here. I wanted to show you guys the new pressure washer I got. Power Stroke. It's got a 2.5 gallons per minute, 3,200 psi. This was at Walmart for, I think after tax and everything, I paid $370 for it. I was gonna go with the Harbor Freight model, but their 20% coupon wasn't working on that, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go somewhere else. They give you a coupon and then you can't use it, you know. So I was pretty upset about that. So I went to Walmart, and I'm glad I did because I found this bad boy. It has electric start, which the other one didn't. So I'm gonna give you guys pretty much an in-depth review. When I got it, this right here unclips with these two buttons on the back, right? Slides out, you know, just like, you know, the push buttons slides on, and then you just thread in this right to here. You know, you can put a nozzle on, and then you thread in the back, right to the back right there for the hose. That's pretty much all the assembly required, except for also you had to fill it with 18 ounces of oil that it came with. You just put it right in here. Pretty simple. And obviously you got to add fuel. So I've never ran this thing yet, so we're gonna try this bad boy out. I'm excited. We got a lot of first I'm gonna show you guys just private use. That's my sidewalk. You can see it's kind of grimy. That's you know, the last time I pressure washed, you can see my wife's name a little bit etched in there. It's gotten dirty since then. So I'll show you guys personal use and then commercial use. We're gonna use it on the dozer and the backhoe and the dump truck and stuff, and we'll get that stuff cleaned up too pretty nicely. But first things first, most of you guys that are gonna buy this thing are you know, homeowners and property management and stuff like that. So I just wanted to do a video for you guys, setup and kind of a review type deal. One thing I did read was in the reviews, keep this hose away from the muffler because if it touches it, it'll be popped, you know, which makes sense. I mean, that's gonna be super hot coming out of the muffler. Right back here. Okay. Let's extend this. Got that extended a ways. Add some gas to this bad boy. One of the other things I noticed in the reviews that people had complained about was the gas port being right here and being hard to fill. I can see how they would say that. But if you take this off, and it probably shouldn't be that hard to fill. So let's get this thing some gas. Okay, there we go. That wasn't that bad, guys. You just take that off to fill it. I can see how it would be a real pain with this in the way. Okay. So first steps first, fill it with gas, fill it with oil. Then right down here you have the battery cord right here. This is for the battery. I charged it as soon as I got it home because I knew I was going to be using it right away, right? So one thing that I did do that the instructions didn't really say was, as soon as I put the oil in there, without any fuel, I pulled the pull start a few times to circulate the oil a little bit, because I don't know how much oil they put in these things, when they ship them from the factory. So I figure, probably best to circulate some of the oil in there. The choke is push this red knob in, run is out, right? This is the fuel. So up and down is closed, sideways is open. Okay, so now the instructions say that we want to turn the water on. Oh, no leaks. And they say pretty much run some water through here by pulling the trigger, and for about 30 seconds, get the air out, help prime the pump, because you don't want a dry pump, right? Let's take this off. One thing you want to be cautious about with those tips is when you have it without the tip on, if the engine is running, you could possibly blow the gasket out of there. So just be aware of that. Okay, we got some good flow here. Those tips are in there pretty good in the little holder, so I don't think you're gonna lose them. We'll start off with the soap nozzle on, because I did put some soap in there. To be fair, I did not use what's it called, the pressure washer detergent, right? So the way this works is you pull this down, you push this in, and then you push that up and it locks in there. Okay, all right, let's see if we can get this. Okay, let's see if we can get this bad boy started. See if it'll start for us. Chokes in, fuel's on, we have oil. Okay, then you pull that little switch out. Here's the 40-degree. Wow, that thing started up pretty slick. I'm definitely smoking a little bit. It's never been run. The paint's probably drying on it. Okay, let's see if we can. Okay, so you guys can see right there the 4 nozzles. I'm gonna come in and zoom in for you guys. Take you out of the tripod. So the soap nozzle didn't really do pretty much anything for the grime. It's probably best for like washing cars or something, I'm just assuming. Then we got the next, so we got the 40 40-degree nozzle, the 25-degree nozzle, and the 0-degree nozzle, right? So as you can see, this one is just a hair wider, this one's just a hair narrower, and then you got the pencil right there pretty much. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm definitely impressed with it. I'm gonna go do some cleaning. So let's see if this bad boy starts right up again. Okay, let's try it with the choke on. There we go. Okay, guys. Can you guys even see that? That's like day and night right there. Well guys, I can honestly say it's night and day. I mean, that just don't get any clearer than that. I mean, that's the way the cookie crumbles, guys. That's the power stroke right there for you. So, thankful I bought it. Love this thing. Alright guys.